In our previous video, we've covered some of the basic mechanics of Pro Mode, such as grid, drag and drop, and resize. Now let's explore how to layer elements to create more complex designs. For this tutorial, I'll reference this section of Sephora's website, with the video background, although mine will be a bit different. We'll start with the video. Because my source file is HTML code, I'll add it using embedded code element, dragging it from the quick add menu on the left. Please note, videos can also be added as a file or link in the video element. Once the embed is in place, I'll stretch it to full screen and begin layering other elements on top to create a dynamic layout. First, I'll add text by dragging it into the top corner. I will fill both of them quickly, pasting the text I need, and I've already prepped my branding for it to look similar to the website. Next, I'll go a little further than what was in the original section and place a navigation button in the bottom corner and resize it by stretching. Lastly, I'll add an image, make sure it is in the spot I need, and add the image file from the resources. I also need to move it up a layer as it currently is sitting behind the video. You can easily control layers using the pop-up menu after clicking on 3 dots above the element, or use keyboard shortcuts. Now let's look at another example of layering elements, this time to create branching with 2 scenarios. I'll take inspiration from the Matrix and its iconic question, will you take the red pill or the blue pill? To build this, I'll use 3 elements, a background image and 2 navigation buttons. First, I'll add the image, select the file, and stretch it to full screen. Then I'll add text prompting the learner to make a choice, along with a subtle background effect that I added off-screen. We'll cover this feature in more detail in future videos, so stay tuned. Next, I'll drag a button from the quick add menu, resize it, and position it exactly where I need it. In the right side menu, I'll make the button transparent in the Element tab. Then, in the Data tab, I'll change its type to Navigation and set the specific lesson and block that learners will jump to after clicking on the option. I'll duplicate the button using the Command D keyboard shortcut, reposition the copy, and update its navigation settings to point to a different section. This creates branching based on the learner's choice. In preview mode, you can see the final result. An image block with 2 transparent buttons that enable a branching experience. That concludes this brief overview of layering elements in Pro Mode.